What's going on, guys? We're back here at PRI. We got Ricky Weiss. We got Melissa with SRI and Stock Car Steel. We're talking about Ricky's company all the way up in Canada, eh? Sniper. Tell us about some of the chassis works and some of the great things you do up there.
Yeah, we got together with Stock Car Steel, and they really helped us get things together. With we use all their steel on our new cars here, and we send them and get them built up in Wisconsin with J.R. Haley, and Cody's been welding up the cars, and we just got a real good group of guys. We got Brando helping, and those guys work so hard day in, day out, and we just kind of made a little family about it, and just go back and forth and, try to make things better and make it easier and try to build the best we can.
I like what I want to touch on something you just said. You're talking about family. And this is the thing. This is a true art. This is a set skill. Building race car chassis, suspensions, things of that nature. This isn't backyard stuff. And it's gotten so advanced over the years. And just technology. And it's a science, technically now. And just getting... it's not just welding a bunch of pipes together anymore or anything like that. These things, you're building high-performance machines to do high-performance things and be safe while you're doing it.
Yeah, most definitely. We get all our stuff CNC bent and notched, and we use the best steel we can, and that's when we got, talking with Randy this year and Melissa, and, working with them, it just, makes one more step easier, and we just try to build the best we can and try to give the customers, one of the best race cars we can. And we tend to do with my team, about 70 shows a year, and we try to do a lot of testing, in and out, and we definitely improved our car this year, and I think it's just been really grown, and that's part of the family. JR has been back at the shop working his butt off, day in, day out, him and Cody, and Brando comes and pieces them together, and we're actually in the midst of putting a new one together. Josh is back at the shop this week, and we're going to put one together and try to head out to Votto and hopefully get some wins under our belt.
That's what I love. So you're telling me racing's definitely not a 9-to-5 business.
No, there's definitely some late hours and our long hours, late nights, and again, there's some, a lot of our crew, some of JR, he tends to get up early, and, he does the early hours, and he'll still stay in the shop as late as he needs to, and, we'll be out there till, midnight or sometimes later. Sometimes you got to work out through the night, but I'm real proud of saying, where our chassis deal's been going this year, and the group of people we have around us, and I think it's just the future is going to be better for our team and our chassis, and I think we got something that contend with the best.
I love it. I want to tell you something. Hearing this guy talk makes me sweat over here. How about you?
I know.
Sounds like work.
Exactly. So I guess, when are you heading back to Canada tomorrow?
Yep, we fly out there. We just had to go get a COVID test to go back across the border, and just part of it. It's just another obstacle that we're used to jumping. There's been, everybody's been jumping through obstacles the past 2 years, and just kind of get used to it, and hopefully it all kind of goes away, and hopefully it's not something we got to adjust to anymore.
Yeah.
It is definitely something that's been a major obstacle for everything like this, traveling and all that stuff. And I'm with you. I am so ready for life to get to somewhat back normal again. Ricky, I want to thank you again, brother. You're awesome.
Yeah, thanks for having us, and shout out to Stock Car Steel and PFC Brakes, and we'll just keep digging this winter and build as many cars as we can and get some more cars out there. And like I said, as soon as we can get the winner's circle, the better.
That's what I'm saying. Sounds like me. We need to quit talking and you need to get back to work.
Yeah.
And Melissa, thank you for hanging out with me. It's just always nice.
Thank you.
You just make me look better. Guys, we got more coming to you right here from PRI.